Upon first glance, this creature appears to be a typical cis-male Caucasian human. However, upon further inspection, one finds that this particular creature is also part of a subspecies known as Bartender. Bartenders are, by nature, swift and graceful creatures with a notable ability to perform many tasks at once. Within this subspecies there are, of course, many variations. This particular creature is what is called the Mammoth Bartender due to its towering stature. In order to discern whether or not a human is in fact a member of this subspecies, one must observe the creature in question exhibit a combination of several qualifying traits. The first qualifying trait is location. For the majority of its life, the bartender can be found confined behind a large counter-like structure serving alcoholic refreshments, though they can also be found ambulating about a restaurant or consuming alcoholic refreshments on the opposite side of the aforementioned counter-like structure. The second qualifying trait of this subspecies is diligence. The bartender is recognized as a hard-working creature that places others' wishes before their own needs, only tending to their fundamental needs for survival betwixt the completion of tasks for others, as shown here, in which it takes the bartender over an hour to consume a meal. Or here, where the bartender exhibits the ability to catch a quick nap whilst standing up. The third qualifying trait of the bartender is its adaptability. The adaptability of this species is personified by the Mammoth Bartender. Notice their constant hunch and lowered stance in order to access the same spaces as their abbreviated counterparts. The fourth and perhaps most telling quality is the reticence exhibited by this species. Here we observe the bartender interacting with a patron. It appears that the bartender is thoroughly enjoying their conversation, but in reality, the bartender has been deeply offended by the remarks of this patron and is now deflecting with humor in order to avoid confrontation, as the bartender relies on patrons for survival.